wins. Yay! I'm so excited. I always wear the same flippin' wardrobe, and I'm sure y'all have noticed if you continue to watch my videos. So, I bought some ArtistBoozey colored t-shirts at the Walmart, where I get most of my art supplies unless I order it online. And I bought some heat transfer vinyl off of Amazon. A little fun fact about me, I actually went to school for design digital technologies, and we did design on the computers and we did print. So we ran presses and we learned silk screening and heat press, which was my favorite. So I'm so excited to do this today. I already cut this design, but I still have to cut the front design, so I'm going to show you how I did that on the Cricut. I love that thing. I love to craft shirts and designs and stuff, so that's pretty fun. Oh, and a little random side note, look at these cute little notepads I bought for when my brain's going crazy and never shuts off. I can write stuff down on these cute little notes. So let's get into it and make some ArtistBoozey tees.
Alrighty. First things first, I take it in and cut it on the vinyl in the machine, and you make sure you mirror. That is important because when you put it on, it'll be backwards if you don't mirror. Here I am peeling it, and I apologize for my hands getting in the way. I am left-handed, so my hands get in the way, and my hands are short, fat, and stubby, so they get all up in the way of the camera, and I apologize. I do the best I can. The struggle is real, but I'll never regret being left-handed because the left-handers are unique. Woo-hoo, weeding out the little things. It's actually kind of fun to weed out, but sometimes it's irritating if you grab the wrong part. Ya dig? Ooh, look at that little camera. I know it looks backwards, but it's on the carrier sheet, so when I put it on the shirt, it'll look normal. That's why you have to mirror it. Here I am preheating the shirt for a few seconds so that you can get all the wrinkles out, and also the heat will, sometimes your shirts will shrink, so yeah. Now I'm putting my design on. Ooh, this is exciting. And I had it on 300 for 10 seconds, and I did both sides twice. I just cut that out because I didn't think you would want to see it a bunch of times. And my brother watched me peel this part, and he's like, oh, it's so satisfying, and I don't like a lot of that stuff, so that was pretty cool to see my design in full effect on the back there. Exciting stuff. Oh, and I lint rolled to get some of the fuzzies out of the way if there's anything on it, because there's stuff you can't see with the regular eye. Now I'm just measuring to make sure it's all even, and then boom, heat press that sucker so it's stuck on there forever. Like I said, I put it on 300 for 10 seconds, and I did both sides twice to make sure it was on there good. And now I'm doing the front design with the little camera, the pencil, and the paintbrush. Well, actually, I was just preheating it. Whoops, I got a little ahead of myself there. This one I did twice too, but only it took only 1 instead of 4 because it's such a tiny design and the iron covered it all. And now I'm preheating this one. Yay! I can say I really missed doing this when I was in school. It was so much fun.
Okay, I'm just going to show you the results straight away because I'm just that excited about it. I know I'm kind of biased because it's my design and I made it, but I love them. So here's the blue one. I hope you can see this. Up and down, up and down. I'm trying to let you see it. And the back, ArtistBoozey YouTube logo. Oops, darn it. Boom. I need to... Whoa, how did I do that? Cool. And now for the pink one. If I can get get this folded properly. I'm gonna yeet this over there. Shoot. Okay, here's the pink one. Yay! I can't wait to start wearing these. And I also have another surprise. I mean, I didn't get this one on film, but I made this one for my mom because she loves anything colorful and sparkly, which this isn't sparkly, but it's multicolored. We used the infusible ink with the Cricut, and it looks pretty awesome. So let me get a picture of you. And the back. You might see me wearing this. I might steal it from her sometimes to wear it because I love it just as much. So I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe and come back every Wednesday for some more artsy fartsy fun. Thank you. Look at my new shirt. This vinyl was super easy to use. It was easy to cut, easy to weed, and easy to transfer onto the shirt with the heat. I absolutely loved it. It's not sponsored, but I will put the link to that stuff down in my bio or description because this stuff was totally epic and I absolutely loved it. I didn't show you the final result. Delete.